we're day 5. We're right at the base of Fuji. We stayed at the resort last night. We're gonna be taking a bus like this all the way down to
okay, so it goes to Mishima Station, and then we're gonna take the bullet train to Kyoto.
There you go. So we're on a bus to the bullet train. And again, I couldn't record breakfast, but it was elaborate. It was a very fancy traditional Japanese breakfast. Lots of fish and vegetables. Lake Biwa, where our hotel is going to be. This is near Osaka? Kyoto. Now the reason I keep getting those two mixed up is Osaka and Kyoto are almost one big giant city. They're kind of together. Anyway, this is this side of the lake, and our hotel is on the other side of the lake. All right, this is Lake Biwa Marriott. Ta-da! And this is our view. Look at this, people. This is Lake Biwa, which honestly, I'm going to plead ignorance. I don't know what type of lake it is, but I imagine it's like pretty much any other lake town with a lot of water sports and everything else, but very nice. We're about in the middle. What's the main island called? What's
I
Tokyo?
don't remember what the main island is.
All right, anyway, whatever. I will edit in. This is another 5-star hotel.
What was that? This is not a charade. We need total concentration. Now, once again, this time, with feeling.
This is the view from our hotel room. Lake Biwa, near Osaka.
Kyoto. No problem for one.
This is the view from our hotel. Morning of day about 6, maybe. I don't know, maybe 6. Anyway, Lake Biwa in Kyoto. It's about 7:48 in the morning, which means it's about 6:48 at night back home. All right, I said it before. We're at Lake Biwa. There's Katybug. We're at Lake Biwa beside, basically near Kyoto. And we are at the Marriott. Now we're going to take this shuttle bus right here to the train station, and then we start our Kyoto adventure. This is the big station in Kyoto, and we're trying to get a train. You find out where the heck you're going. And how about this one? You hit English. You hit buy a ticket. I'm doing cash. You got to come up here and look at how much it costs. Katie knows.
Or some of them allow you to search for a station name.
There you go.
And then you can just punch in what it's called.
There you go. Ta-ta-ta. Now we're going to do 2 people, so she hits a 2. It tells you got to do 840 yen, which in a nutshell is like about $8.20.
Maybe a little less.
Yeah. Searching. Now there is a quicker way. There's a pass, but right now, because there's a worldwide shortage of chips, they can't issue the passes. You know, otherwise we would have had a pass. That would have been a lot better. China controls the chips, and Japan ain't getting them. All right, it'll shut close, then it'll spit out your tickets.
And then beep at you aggressively until you take them.
Yes. And there you go. That's how you buy a ticket in Japan. Now you run around in circles trying to find the train because you don't know where it is because it's the worst train station we ever been in. All right, you go to the gate, stick your thingy in it. And that's it.
For Obon, their Festival of the Dead, they burn the symbol for fire into the side of a mountain.
And there it is right there. So this was last night. It would have been blazing because last night was the last day of Obon, which we didn't know that, which is why we couldn't get taxi anywhere. Now right now we're going to the Kinkaku-Ji Temple. Whew, man, that's a tough one. All right, we're about to go into the Black Gate. But yeah, we're about to walk in the Black Temple of the Kinkaku-Ji.
We are going to the Yasaka Shrine. It's a pretty old shrine, like 600s. Apparently one of the biggest festivals in Japan happens there. Don't know which one though.
And I swear, there must be people keeling over left and right because every time Katie starts recording, some ambulance drives by. Now, we're still in Kyoto. We're at the entrance to the temple. Really? Step forward, Katie. All right, we're inside the Yasaka Shrine, and this shrine dates back to 656. It's got a festival here, the Mikoshi Tokyo. It's a pretty big festival, so this place fills up then. That would have happened last month.
We are going to Hanamikoji Street. It is a historic district, shopping district, got restaurants, geisha, food. Think of it like kind of colonial Williamsburg, old buildings, old roadways, things like that.
Yeah. Surprised they got cars. But it is what it is, okay. And Katie just bought a kimono here on the street in a kimono shop. Very nice. All right, Katie, come on up here. Explain to them where we're going. What are we doing?
We are going to the Fushimi Inari Taisha. It is a shrine dedicated to a goddess of harvest and fertility and stuff. And there's a lot of foxes are considered to be her servants, so there's a lot of fox symbology around everywhere. Lots of red Torii gates.
We know what the fox says. All right, the foxes are the messengers for the goddess. All the prayer cards over there have got these little colored cloths hanging off of it. And over here, the fox has got something hanging out of its mouth. That one doesn't, but this one does. So we think the cloth is something the fox will chase after, so he grabs your prayer and takes it to the goddess. Torii gates are getting darker because the sun's leaving us. We're climbing a mountain, and the gates go all the way up to the mountain, and then back down again. Yep. All right, I think Kitty's trying to kill me here. And we're going to the top of the mountain. We're stopping here just so I can put on my head rack and go full pirate mode. All right, still getting a little darker. I went full pirate mode. I think we're at 14,000 meters, working our way up. All right, we think we're getting very close to the top. We think. I think we've climbed, this is day 4 of climbing. We end up eating our Sherpas. We don't have any water or food, and the camel died. All right, behind me, that path right there, there was a little sign that said 25 more minutes to the top of the mountain. All right, we really ran out of water about, I don't know, a few thousand yards already. So we got no water at all. It's pretty hot, and we're getting the crap beat out of us. So I think we're gonna go down. Lots of the foxes everywhere. All right, did that so I don't die on the way down. All right, those are the prayers tied on here, and here's all the little foxes that take the prayers to the goddess. Katie just explained it to me. This shrine was made in 1941. Gee, what the heck was Japan doing in 1941? But it's the shrine to Fushimi Inari, the war god. And so, wow.
Interesting.
Very interesting. And here is Kyoto.
So, apparently this is a shrine where you pray to your zodiac animal. So, there are little statues of the different zodiacs throughout here. I don't know where the rat is, but I'm looking so hard.
You know, looking for a rat?
Yeah, because I'm a rat.
I said snake, crow. This dude looks mad. He's probably the god of war. Oh, here's a rat right there.
Where's the rat?
There's a rat for you. There.
Look at me. No, you would come up, you would clap your hands, and you would pray in the direction of your zodiac animal.
Okay. All right. This is the Kyoto station. It is the most confusing station ever. It's so confusing that the people that work here don't even know what to do. Because this morning, we went to 3 different officials in uniforms asking where to go, and each one directed us to a different floor. Now, right now, we're trying to figure out how to get back to our hotel. I'm following Katie because Katie is the guide, but the guide is confused because this is one of the most confusing train stations we have ever been in. I try to do this for the etiquette in Japan is you stand on the left side, and the people on the right side that want to go fast, they can walk by you. So it's just a single file. Just more etiquette in Japan.